Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we will find out the largest number of two numbers. We will write a code in Java for the same. So let's get started. First, I will create a public void method. I will give name as a find largest, and inside this will pass two numbers, int a and int b. So whatever number will be higher or greatest or largest, will print that. So for that, what we have to do, first create a int max variable, and here we will be using the ternary operator. So first you have to define a condition. I will define if a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then ternary operator, and we have to give what thing we have to print. So if a is greater than b means a is greater, so first I will give a colon and then b. So what this particular uh, syntax is doing, it is first checking whether a is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then it will return a. If this particular condition is false, then it will return b. And at the end we will put one as out statement, and we will give largest number, will print our number. So in this way we can find out the largest of two numbers. Let's create a main method, and if you're using main method, then you have to make this particular method as a static, because you can only call static methods inside static methods. So let's define two variables. I will define int a is equal to 56 and int b is equal to 38, and I will pass both the variables to the find largest method, a comma b. So what it will do now, it will take these two numbers, it will check which number is largest, and it will print it. So let's execute this program. Here you can see it printed the largest number. So in this particular way, you can find what is the largest number out of two. So that's it for this particular video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.